we got a little experiment going on here. Look at this. Buddy Dan here has put a blade on his claws. We're going to try it out. We're going to see how this thing works.
A lot of ingenuity in there. You got a big ass bolt and all sorts of stuff for a spacer. Let's see if it works. Oops, oh.
Might be too.
Ah, there it goes.
Getting too much.
Oh, there we go. We dropped a couple pieces.
All right, I keep.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah,
He's
it's
moving
cool.
around. He's doing this.
I really should change the name on this one.
If you got it.
I tried to use like an X-Acto knife,
Right.
you know, a utility knife blade.
And too flimsy,
You can't
bro.
drill it.
Really?
Yeah, it just breaks. You can't put holes in it.
Oh man.
So maybe I need to. Yeah, it needs to be higher up, huh? The blade needs to be a little taller.
A little bit taller, I think.
I thought there'd be a little bit more strength in the.
So you guys figure how much pressure you exert when you take a pair of hand nippers and start squeezing down on something.
Yeah.
Or just little handheld ones, like single-handed.
That's true.
It takes a little bit of oomph.
Yeah.
That is cool.
What I was looking, it's quite a bit taller. I was tempted, but it does look taller to throw. I like the idea of doing like the 826. Yeah.
That is cool.
I would love.
Well, I get to see how strong these things really are.
All right, we're logging now.
That's awesome.